I got this French Morbier clock a while back off of Goodwill. It's one of those pickup only items that they ship to me. But for the life of me, I couldn't get it to stay running. I finally put in my hearing aids, and this area right here, the pendulum leader was touching the case and stopping the clock. So I tilted the case, which causes the piece of metal to stay within that groove. And it's been running now for a few days. And so now I'm gonna put the sides and the face and everything else, the hands on. But I colored the rope. I didn't do a very good job coloring the rope. It's supposed to be red. Mine turned out yellowish orange. I didn't buy the right dye or something. I'm gonna recolor some different rope. But anyway, when you get old, you need your hearing aids. I'm 40% deaf, and sometimes wearing my equipment helps me work on my clocks. Hope y'all enjoy this video, and God bless. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel.